Okay. The game is very short-lived, but it's funny. I don't see why we're not going for something greater. Okay, bridge strike, come on. Or can we get the birds? No. I mean, I'm happy about it because it's birds. You don't want to be cruel to wildlife. But I just love that you can shoot the tankers. The game engine is like, yeah, you get points for that. But he's like, oh, I don't know. There we go. Fuel is important. Yeah, you were coming for us. That I knew already. Oh, wow. Hey there, buddy. I don't know what I should do with these big bombers or whatever they are, because it seems like they do nothing against us or for us, or I don't know. Oh, should we rescue them? Yeah. He says, okay. Like, alright, we take you along. It's all good. Oh, touch the wall here, huh? Touch the wall, touch the grass. Oh, Cake is on a clip trip today. Cake is on a clip trip. We love it. Thank you, Cake. How much should we get for rescuing this guy? It's just like nothing. We already got one of these on board. You keep him in the water. Little rocket base? I don't think so. Okay. Oh! I wanted to slip by as fast as we can, but we slipped into the wall as fast as we could. Hey, submarine. I see you. And I can't do nothing against you. That's just how it is. What? Some games do have weird hitboxes, like, it's the thing. Aha! That's what they do. Give me that. There we go. Uh-huh. Oh, there was a tornado. You see that? Is this a mine? It is a mine. We gotta dodge that. Okay, so we need some of this. We need some of this. Ooh, okay. Oh, now you're coming out of the water, huh? it's the same. It strikes me as being the same plane. What? Okay, that was a bit too much greed, but I'm fine with this. 4,145. There we go. So 4,145. 145. First game for the day is done. And let's move it here. There we go. Okay.